Welcome everybody, welcome to the video. Beautiful day today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with us as we get things done. I'm gonna show you guys here. They're coming in to wash the shop today. They're gonna, I don't know, I think they power wash it or something. Look how that light is all dirty from the bugs at night. Look, we got bird guano. Look how dirty that is. So we'll clean that all up. They're gonna come in and clean that, so I'll leave the gate unlocked today for them to be able to do that. All the front, the back side of the shop is all good, but the front side is all full. It's almost like if it's where all the lights are at night. Even this here is not quite as bad. So I'll show you guys at the end of the video there what this looks like. All right, it's gonna be a great one today with the weather like this. Today we're going, part of town is called Florimont, Sector Galvin, in the town of Sherbrooke. You guys enjoy. Yeah, all right, so that looks good. So you see how the wall there at the bottom. This customer here didn't have it done by us last year. They had it done by somebody else. And they called us back this year. They said, could you guys come do our hedge for us? Somebody came and knocked the corner of the street. See? Just talking to the guys about the job that was done. It was really, really rough stuff. All right, let me get a guy over here. Let me get Sam to come over here and do some work. Hey, Sam! Sam! No. Oh, hey! Oui, parce que je veux qu'il fasse de quoi. Client asked us, we're gonna trim this all up right here. Cut this all out. His heater for his pool's here. We're gonna try to fix that out. Tu vas couper ça ici, là.
Tout ça?
Ouais, pour son chauffe-eau, là.
OK.
Tout couper ça, là, comme il faut.
Bon.
Merci, Sam. Hey Nordais, peux-tu amener un escabeau? 8. Just walk around here, show you guys a bit. It's all done. Yeah, so like I was saying, he said a guy came knock last year. He did it, took him 4 days. 4 days to do it, and wasn't equipped to do the tops too much. I said everyone's allowed to work, it's okay. He goes, it was late in the season too. He goes, might have even been in November. Not too many people cut in November. So he had a big tree cut here. It's just on the other side of that fence. All right, so everything's looking good here. All right, I'll get Sam to come finish that up there. That's not right. The boys are at the neighbors over there. Yeah, that's what I was telling the owner here. I go, you're on a corner of a street there. A lot of the time, you're gonna have people stop by and knock at the door. Stuff like that. That happens. Oh, you got a company over there with a boom. Alright. Alright, we're just getting to this one here. Just want to walk around. We just barely started. You can see this hedge here. You can see this one here, how you can't see through it. When you're looking straight at it, that one too, that one too. Anyway, this one right here, they've always had a problem. There's a lot of water that accumulates on the other side. It comes down from all of the houses up along on the other side. There's full of houses and it all comes down over here. And it's always wet on the other side. But look at how you can see through this. Every year they always ask me, don't take too much off, don't take too much off. They said this year, don't trim on this side. So we won't trim on this side. So it's always wet down here. And we've had a really wet spring. Even though it's summer, I mean, I think they said it's gonna rain again Friday, Saturday, Sunday coming up. All right, so I'll bring you guys along with us. You guys enjoy this. I'll show you guys around out back and that as we're going here. All right, let's go. Things are coming along here. OK. Hey Sam, l'autre côté, est-tu tout fait?
Oui.
OK, viens-t'en dedans. the end of the day. I told you guys at the beginning of this video they were coming to wash our shop. We'll take a look, see how it looks. Looks really good. Windows look good. Everything looks nice. It looks a lot better than it did. Supposed to be getting this asphalted pretty soon. I thought it'd be this month. Might be into June. I think they might be doing it in June. Cabo? Looks really good. Remember all the cobwebs it was full, especially around the lights. Alright, I just had a few branches that we've been stacking up for the last week. Chip them up. Put this in the garage. Hey! Place le